Hey everybody, it's Neil, and instead of wearing t-shirts all the time, so hey, let's get this one here. This Promen Polo is the brand here, I guess, on it. That's what it says on the tag on the inside. Let's see how this is. Look at this, nice shirt. It's nice knit. You can see it's got the knit to it. And oops, there goes just a piece of paper. But this is it. It's a nice long sleeve knit shirt, and I got size large, and I am about 190 pounds. So you can see this is the color of it. It's kind of a blue, I think. It says color blue, so blue. Okay, let's give this thing a try. Let me aim you guys over here into my little corner where I can get a longer length here. So let's put this on. So here I am putting on. So this is size large blue. So you can get an idea of what it is. I'm about 190 pounds, 5'10". So you can see it's got a good feel. It's got a little cuff on there. When I hold it up like this, it goes down, but let's see when it's down at the sides. Definitely the right length. It just goes up to my wrist, so it's not a super long length arm, which is kind of what I like. I don't want it to be super long. I don't like it when it's all the way down in my hands. So this is a good length here, and here it's the appropriate length. So if I'm wearing shorts, you can see there. But if I'm wearing pants and stuff, it's good. It's got a little tiny little relief slit on the side here. So I guess that got you kind of sit down without it binding or whatever. But it's got a good look to it. It's got pocket up here, and it's a good thickness too. It's not ridiculously thick that you'll be just sitting there sweltering all the time, but it's not super thin either. But it seems like it's pretty airy and breathable. So I kind of like this. It gives me a good look. I look kind of thin in it, so I like it. It's a nice, good fit on me. So really nice shirt, really, really nice. And the collar looks nice. And the buttons worked very good, so I'm gonna say super thumbs up. I really like this shirt.